So I was recently notified by the Studley host over at 60 Second Cocktail. Apparently there's a cocktail challenge going on and I have been invited to join. Of course, I'm gonna invite myself. I hope you don't mind me crashing your party, Vino Valentino, because I got a good ass cocktail for you. And it's gonna be all kinds of smoke.
What?
So essentially what's going on, for those that don't know, is this challenge is called the Drunken Shamrock 2021, and the rule set is essentially you need a green cocktail, it has to be Irish themed, and it has to be submitted before April 1st with the hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2021. Fairly simple.
Look at this dude.
And hey, if you want to continue celebrating St. Patty's over the weekend, click that hashtag under my video and it'll take you to all the other submissions. You may get some good ideas, trust. But enough about everything else, let's get back on track with today's cocktail. I'm showing you guys how to make an Island Clover. Let's go!
Oh shit.
Let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want blue curacao, coconut rum, Irish whiskey, pineapple juice, mango juice, lemon juice, and today's glass of choice, a rocks glass. Just so you guys know, the lower tray of my Invisalign decided to bend outward, so every time I speak now, my gums are getting stabbed. I'm under assault. This is an attack on a dental level. I need an intervention.
Get some help.
Let's get some ice in our shaker. As always, I'm using that Ziploc bag because we're making cocktails at home.
Look at that form, man. Respect it.
And now, it's time to freak out with your ingredients. First, you're gonna want a ½ ounce of your blue curacao. We just want enough to give us some color. Nothing more, nothing less. Then, 1 1/4 ounce of your coconut rum. Sorry, I had to think about that real quick. Next, 1 1/4 ounce of your Jameson. After that, we're gonna do 1 1/2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 1/2 ounces of your mango juice, and lastly, 1/4 ounce of lime juice. Hey, even I make mistakes. Easy now. Now let's get this guy sealed up and shake off some demons. Hey, did you subscribe yet? Let's bless our rocks glass up with some ice.
Yeah, boy.
Next up, we're gonna double strain our mix. Ooh. For today's garnish, I think I'm gonna be going with a lime heart, if that's the correct term. I'm essentially just gonna pin this guy along the side of the glass, like so. Beautiful and simple. I love simplicity. And just like that, our Island Clover is complete. Now, it's time for our taste rating to see just what we're dealing with. Oh my God. Oh my God. This cocktail is good ass. There's kick, all kinds of kick, let me tell you, man. Like, I feel that burn right on my stomach, but it's a good burn, you know? It's like, oh my God, it's hard to explain. It's like a whiskey sour minus the sour. What? If that makes any sense, but I'm sure you get it. I feel like everyone in the Shamrock Challenge would appreciate this cocktail. Throw those ingredients together, give it a sip. If you love it, then love it some more. But if you don't like it, then I'm a big boy. You can tell me that it was garbage and I'll work on it next year. But that said, don't take my word for it. You take the sip and love life. Guys, you know the drill. You like my content, you like the videos I'm pumping out, hit the like button, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys for my next cocktail, which should most definitely be sometime next week. Early next week, mid next week, I don't even know. Since St. Patty's is done, I can't keep still, Jesus Christ. Since St. Patty's is done, it most likely won't be green for a while, but I'm hoping to maybe do a Caribbean drink or something spirit heavy. It's been a while since I did like a spirit forward cocktail, because you know I love my flavor. I like that fruitiness, I like that. But you better be there for my next cocktail. And as always, be there thirsty. You need to be thirsty when you watch these videos. That way if it's a bad video, it still looks good. You gotta trick the brain, come on now. But in all honesty, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next cocktail. Enjoy your St. Patty's. And hey, Shamrock people, 2021. You know I killed it, come on now. If I didn't kill it, I killed it.